Hi, in this short video I want to show you how to use three different commands. Actually, the three commands would be to make a copy, and to move, and to rename. And the scenario that I'm using is that you need to have a copy of a letter of guarantee, and I'm using the letter of assurance from Schaefer Farm Services. Actually, the letter of guarantee, letter of assurance are sort of synonymous. They're really different, but they're of the same nature anyhow. So what we have on our screen here is the letter of assurance, and I'm actually going to show you how we get to that. So if we go to shared drives, you'll be a Schaefer document shared, and if you don't see that, let me know and we can make a change to you, give you access. So you need a Google a Gmail account, which is their authentication tool. So you look at you should be able to see a Schaefer document shared. So we're going to open up that shared drive, and we'll see that there's a folder called Letter of Guarantee. We can put lots of letters of guarantee from lots of different places in there, so you'll be able to find them. We'll probably put as many as we can in there to make it easier for you to get stuff. So we're going to go to Letter of Guarantee, and we'll open it up, and the only thing we see right now is the letter LOA from Schaefer Farm Services. So what we want to do is we're going to use ABC Farms, our sample farm. And we're going to say that needs to have a copy of this in it. So we're going to right click on this, and of course there's more than one way to get to it, but right click on it, go to make a copy, and you'll see it's working down here, and it created a copy of it, just copied the file and renamed it to copy of LOA. So this one is just the LOA, Schaefer Farm Services, and this one is a copy of it. So the next thing we want to know is we need to have it in our own drive. So the next thing we'd want to do is we'd want to move it to our drive. So we're going to move it to this ABC Farms drive. So we're going to right click on it and say move to, and then we have to do some browsing. So we're going to browse back, and now we're at document shared, and browse back again. We're at the shared drives, and then we're going to look for ABC Farms, which is here. We browse to the right or down farther into it, and then in operational records there's a letter of guarantee folder. So we could click here, and then we could just say move, and that puts it in that particular folder. So we click the word move, and now we're going to go back, and now it disappears from here. Now we're going to go over to that drive, which is ABC Farms. Open it up, and we're going to go into operational records where we put it, and we put it in letter of guarantee, and now we see it there. Now what we probably don't want is the word copy there. So the other thing I'm going to show you is how to rename it, which is really simple. Right click on it, choose rename, and one little trick on this is instead of hitting delete to get rid of all that blue stuff, I hit the right arrow key, and that just moves my cursor to the right of where everything was at. And then the next key I'm going to hit, and you could use the arrow keys to get there, but the next key I'm going to hit is home. That takes us to the beginning of that line, and then I'm going to hit the delete key until I get to the LOA, and then I'm going to say OK. So now we have the LOA, and it's in the operational records letter of guarantee for ABC Farms. So thank you for watching.